Welcome to Kubert Muay Thai. Okay, today we will talk about basic of clinching Muay Thai. Okay, we will use hand, we will use foot includes and the knee. How you use in the clinching basic. I talk about basic and then you can follow me. And later when you practice good enough, you can turn to be advanced and make more. And this video I will use only me, not have partner, but you can practice like shadow movements first, and then later you add your partner, can be ready for your partner. Okay, follow me. Now in the clinching of Muay Thai, of course you have two hand, two leg, includes your head, your shoulder, to include with the clinching. Okay, now I will talk about hand. When you use the hand for lock clinching basic, we have about three different lock on top. I mean on top. On top it means top the neck. Number one, top the neck. I can use this together to hold the neck, or this one can hold. But now I want you to use this first. Number one. And number two, one hand on the top neck and one hand on the arm. I am right power. I use right on the top neck and I use left to protect on the arm. And number three, two hand. You see, we block both hand. This two hand. One, two, three. This is three different lock from the clinching basic. But the real, when you use, they will start to this one first, and then go this one, and then go this one. That is the real when you use. But the practice, one, two, three. If your opponent try to grab you, like two hand, you defend like this, and control. Before you set up, go to the neck, one hand, and one hand on the arm. This is how you do. Okay, and then you comfortable already, you slide other hand to the top neck and you lock on the neck. This is how you do the lock. Okay, again slowly. If they come to grab you, defend to arm and slide to the neck and bring other hand to lock on the top neck like this. This is how you use. And I want you to look at my leg. When I stand, I am square the leg. I not stand like this. With the clinching, we not do like this. Or like this, we not do. Try to stand. Why? Balance. This is how you do. Okay? Balance. And then we add with arm and leg together. Number one, move. See? Number two, hand. Number three, yes, this is what we do. Sometimes you can see one, two, three, no matter that what you do. But remember, when the first start, you cannot just go to grab the neck easy. That will defend you. That's why come from number one, number two, number three. Okay, check your balance. And now when you add with your balance already, I would like to use the footwork includes same three lock, same footwork. Number one, step, return. Step, return, return, lock. Again, step, return, forward, return, return, lock, balance. And same, number two, step. Now I use it to pull. Pull, see, and step. Come back. Now I change to this side. Step. Now I push. Push. and back position. Okay, and number 3 is same. Step, return, come back, return, come back. This how you use. You can see difference between 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. This if you want to attack, what you want to attack after when you want to use the knee. Now example with the knee includes lock number 1. Step, return, knee, square your leg. Step, return, knee, square your leg if you want this side. And other one, lock same. Step, return, knee, stay, return, knee. You see, 2 options with the footwork. The first, you step, you pull. This position you make a distance and attack right knee, square. And now you want to use left knee, you just do 1 time. Pop, step, attack with the knee and stay. If you want to use right knee 2 times, it means step, return, knee, step, return, knee. Are you following? This is how you do. I hope you're not confused. If you do with the step, return, your right knee attack, bang, square. And now you want to use left knee, you step, return, bang, left knee, stand by. This simple. And then you can add same lock. Number 1, lock number 2. Now I want you control the hand too. When you imagine you grab your neck opponent and this grab the arm. And when you step, you pull. Pull, you see? Pull, twist your body. Step, pull, knee, square. Next one, I want you to use right hand. Push. This one, pull. And attack, boom, and square same. You got it? One more time. If lock number 2, now you use this to pull. And same when you step and you pull, make your hip distance, attack, square. Now you use left hand to pull, right hand push, opposite, pop, attack, and square. Come back. And number 3, same. Now you use your both hands, hold like this, lock, step, pull, this push, knee, square. Now pull this way, push this way, pop, knee, square. This is 3 options of footwork and attack by the hand. 3 options. And now, if you want more attack with knee from the side, when you cross body, when your body close, you need from the side. I mean, in from the side, in from the side. This is how you can train same. If I grab the neck position, the first I show you, the first one, I step, I return, and knee. That's how you use the footwork. Now we add with the side knee too. It means grab, hold them close, body close, knee, step, pull, knee, step, knee, close. This is how you do. As you see the picture, when you hit the body with the side, boom, because you close, and then they make them move and step, and you turn. Because you already close body first. When you hold, you not go like this forward, like this. No, you need to close this to save you. That's why you square your leg and close. They safe for you. And you can attack by the side first before you hit the center. That's what you need to do. Okay? And same, I give you simple 4 knee. 1, 2, 3, 4 knee with 3 different lock. I will do continue. Okay, stand by. Lock. Knee, knee, square, step, pull, knee, square, up, knee, square. Okay, and lock number 2, same. Square, knee, knee, step, pull, knee, step, pull, knee, square. Lock number 3. Close body. Knee, knee, step, pull, knee, square, step, pull, knee, square. Come back to number 1. This is how you do. And when you have partner, in the future, you will understand, when you step footwork, you always working with footwork, and you can add the knee inside. And when you have partner now, when you have to fight with your partner, you need to go in more with the hand. They not let you lock easy. That we will talk about in the future after when you train with this basic technique first. Okay, basic technique. I remind you again. Remember, when you standing with your hand, your weight in the middle. Okay, bow square. That's how you do for the clean. And 3 lock on top 3 lock. Lock number 1, you can use your wrist together to hold the neck. Lock number 2, one hand on the top neck and one hand on the arm. Lock number 3, on the arm, both hands on the arm. Okay, sometimes you can start when 3, 2, 1 can do. And knee, I want you to practice by knee center and knee from the side. Knee from the side, if you like, you block normally. You see, when you block, same thing, and you come forward. Like block, come in forward and control the hip to hitting. You can use this to the back too. And if you have partner in the future, you can use that to the partner. When you practice with your partner, we use this side to hitting. We not use the cup fully, but when you fight, yes, we use the cup, the knee to hitting. Look again with out, in, out, in. This when you close distance. And when you want to knee, you step, you turn, make your distance, knee, square, step, turn, make your distance, knee, square. And I will request, if you want to learn more with the clean, try to not go back and knee. Okay, you can step forward, knee. That is better. When you go back, you keep your distance to your opponent. They can attack you before. Okay, you go back, you can control. Yes, you hold them down and you go back. That's good. But if they're still strong and you step back, they attack you. Okay, and this is some basic of clinching for start now. And when you understand the movement, and when you have partner, you can do this at more next level. And I hope you will like this video, and I will want you to follow. And if you like this video, please subscribe, and see you again next time. สวัสดีครับ
Ooh-wee.